What is up, guys? Amai here. Today I'm going to be showing y'all what I'll be working on. I'm working on a Ford pickup truck. This truck got vandalized. I guess I tried to break into the rear door, and I'm going to show y'all real quick what I'm going to do and how I'm going to go about the repair process. So I'm going to show y'all the damage and basically tell y'all what I do being mobile. And the turnaround on this truck is just literally one day. This truck has to go back on transport, get delivered to the customer. So without further ado, here it is. So the top of the door is what got pried open, guys. So what they did is they put a rod when the door was closed in here to try to pry it open, and it damaged like this little area there, which is the edge. And then right here, this is probably the worst of it right there. And then you can see in here too, it got scraped. So I'm gonna be blending literally this section here. Probably take it down to this area here where the seam sealer's at and do a blend. Just because it's easier to hide the blend. So the front didn't get damaged, believe it or not. I mean, you can't even tell, right? So on the outside, it's good. It's just this top part right here. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna kind of smooth out this edge right here. I'm not gonna touch the surface here, but I will round this edge right here. Might need a little bit of glaze, like very light glaze. Fill that in and then spray the back side of it. Now I'm gonna back tape this right here. What I mean by back tape is you literally get tape, all right, just regular tape, and you fold it in half. Ooh, I'm gonna have to put the phone down, guys, to show y'all this real quick. All right, so this is what I do when I mean by back tape, okay? Part of, oh, it's really bright. Okay, come on. All right, this tape is folded in half. I still have some of the stickiness on this. So what I do is I basically put this tape right on the edge to where it'll flap a little bit. Maybe not that much, but more like this. Okay. Just to give you an idea, okay? This is more of like how I would do it. Now, all this would be covered. I covered this entire entry door right there with plastic, cover the whole truck with plastic. I'm gonna have the front door closed. Everything's gonna be covered with plastic. The back side of the door is gonna be covered with plastic. That side of the door is gonna be covered with plastic. I'll have paper and tape all around this edge, but my back tape is gonna be like this. So when I spray, it's gonna hit it, bounce off a little bit, and hit the inside lip of this. This is what I call back tape. Very useful, guys. There is a machine that you can buy that you just pull on it and it makes it for you. You just add a roll of tape, just like that. And you put it all along the edge of the door. And all this I'm gonna scuff up with 1000 grit. So after I do my repair here with glaze, smooth out the edges, put filler, smooth it out, shoot primer, sand the primer down. I'm gonna scuff up this entire door here, just this section, and I'll do my blend right here and over here, and it'll look like brand new, guys. So I'm gonna make another video and post it up, but this is pretty much what I would do, guys, to fix a repair like this. It's not that hard, and this is why mobile is very useful. There are companies that will hire you to do a job in a day when it takes a body shop 2 to 3 weeks for situations like this. You're doing the same process as a body shop. You might use different chemicals based on the environment, the heat, all that comes into play. But I don't have a spray booth, as you can tell. I mean, I have an inflatable one, but I'm not going to use it for this project because it's a fairly small project. But this repair here should take me anywhere from maybe 2 hours, probably less, guys. It's not that hard. And then you're done. And you know, you could probably charge, if not half, maybe a little bit more than half than what a body shop would charge. And you make a good living, support your family, and all that good stuff. So if y'all have any questions, feel free to post in the comments below, and I will post more videos. I'll show you a video after it's all said and done. And thanks a lot, guys. Stick around. Peace.